So let's take a look at this app. It's called CHATTA. So CHATTA app, live match new friends. So here you have chat live stream matchmaker made for Filipinos. Unlimited greetings, meet new people instantly, efficient match. Attentive matchmaker. Chat easier, real-time matching make life more loving. Chat is a serious social app that helps people create meaningful connections. We are committed to giving users a safe and secure environment. We focus on the live broadcast room and sharing community. Photo verified profiles, matchmaker, watch live stream, live video chat, live voice chat, sharing community. People here can experience emotional communication comfortably through different online interactive features. And then, yeah, so that's basically, let's just open it up. And then you can just skip it. You can see from where you are. Select the just this is a setup for you just to show you. Then you can skip some profiles, and then yeah, you can just see it, the details like that. Then you can see live streams, then you can see chats, then you can see your profile, just like that. So gold coins which you can buy. There is store. So yeah, there are so many apps like that right now. So I don't know whether this is legit or they're just stealing your data, to be honest. I don't know. You try it. Seems, yeah, so that's like gold coins. Then there is home, moments, and that's kind of the idea of the app. You can see in here. Maybe there are a lot of AI bots in here actually, so you need to be careful. So as you can see already, AI bots are messaging. So, but yeah, that's what it is.